Hello, Mackenzie.
Good afternoon, Chase.
We welcome you to this Wahawk Talk, Tuesday, May 8th.
Friday, May 11th at 12:30 is the Seniors Honors Assembly. All seniors and juniors will attend. Seniors will be dismissed to the auditorium right after fifth hour to find their seats in the middle section towards the front. Juniors will be dismissed at 12:25 to the auditorium and will sit behind the seniors in the middle sections.
Come see Once on This Island, the musical, in the auditorium 7 p.m. Friday, May 18th. 2 p.m. or 7 p.m. Saturday, May 19th. Purchase tickets in the business office or at the door.
Attention all 2018-2019 Link Crew applicants. The date for the announcement of next year's Link Crew leaders has been changed to May 11th. On May 11th, envelopes can be picked up in Mr. Cassidy's room after school. The first training date for the year's Link Crew will be Friday, May 18th in the afternoon.
Seniors, your name must be on the official graduation list by May 11th in order to have your name printed in the Courier's graduation edition. May 11th is also the last day to pay fines and fees by check.
Attention all students who will be 18 by November 6, 2018, Election Day. There will be a voter registration drive following the Senior Honors Assembly on May 11th at approximately 2 p.m. and will take place in the auditorium foyer. Students need their driver's license number and the last four digits of their social security number to register. Get registered and become an active citizen.
The girls' track team placed fourth at the divisional meet in Iowa City Friday, which is the highest finish for the team in many years. The 4x200 relay of Scott Solomon, Allison, and Roby, and the 4x400 of Burt, Dillard, Coffrin, and Robinson took runner-up honors. Third place winners, Tooney in the 400 shavers, in the shot put sprint medley group of Robbie, Allison, Robinson, and Tooney. The distance medley team of Klaus Davis, Burt, Dillard, and Coffrin, in the 4x100 was Solomon, Allison, Robbie, and Tooney.
Today's events: girls golf at Irv Warren 3:15 p.m. Boys tennis versus Jefferson 4 p.m. Girls tennis at Jefferson 4 p.m.
Boys soccer at Jefferson 4:15 and 6 p.m. Girls soccer at CVSC 5:30 p.m. and 7:15 p.m. GEV girls at Iowa City High School 4:30 p.m.
Cheerleading tryout practice in Upper Gym 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. Rugby at Sloan Wallace 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. Band concert in the auditorium 7 p.m.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
Have a great day. Be West.